Hey guys, so I just got home from work and I wanted to do a kind of like unboxing on this package right here. I have no idea what this is going to look like. It is my unicorn for the moment, my unicorn bag, and it came all the way from Japan. So let's open it up really quick and see what is inside. I'm nervous about this. I've never really ordered from eBay before, so I am extremely nervous. But the only way you can get this bag is from eBay or Fashion File or Yogi's Closet or one of those other places, because they don't make the bag anymore. From a company called eLady on eBay. She had pretty good reviews, like 13,000 reviews. The few negative reviews that she had, it was, I don't know, someone said they bought like an expensive watch. They said the watch stopped working, but she offered a full refund. The 3 or 4 negative reviews that I saw that she had, she offered full refunds pretty much on everything. So came with this inside from her company, eLady. Very professional. Packing is really nice. My heart's beating a little bit because I don't know what to expect with this bag, but let's see. Oh my goodness. So far, so good. And excellent. Hold on, I don't want to make so much noise with the rattling. So this bag right here is a 2004. It's from the Abercrombie line. She did say that there was a little bit of a stitching thing, and I'll show you guys what that is, which I didn't mind. This little bit of stitching right here. Let's see if you can see it. You can barely see it. Yeah, from this side you can. It's a little bit of stitching right here. Not really, for the price of this bag, I'm really not too concerned about the stitching. The corners, show you what they look like. It has, like, you can see a little bit of wear, I'm really impressed. Let me see if there's any strange smell. Here's the other corner. You can see that right there. Nothing is really faded. I thought that there was something that was faded on here, but even the Louis Vuitton on here, for 2004, no smell. No, it smells brand new. It smells like a brand new bag. You can see the inside. No pen marks, nothing. And I paid under a G for this purse. The patina is already beautiful. Here's the bottom of the bag. And I did a lot of research on this bag because I didn't know how to tell if it was authentic. So after watching several videos on YouTube, looking at several pictures. Oh, let me look at the inside pocket. Inside pocket. It is a made in France. This person literally did not use this bag at all. It's a better, yeah, it's in really good condition. So I feel like I'm kind of going backwards in time lately. I'm liking all of the older bags, older Louis Vuitton. I don't know, I'm feeling just kind of nostalgic. I just really like the older bags. And this I have my eye on, and it's beautiful. It's really pretty. If you guys are looking for anything that is, I don't know, vintage, I consider this vintage. I went to eLady on eBay. So I have an event to go to. I'm off work, but I'm not off work. I have an event to go to, so I need to put my blouse back on. But I wanted to open this with you guys and show you my reaction when I saw it. And I'm thoroughly pleased with this bag. So I might be checking in this week, or I'm off tomorrow. So either this weekend or next week with you guys. But I really hope you like it. It's a really pretty bag. And I have to get running, but I wanted to share this with you guys. Here's the front. I don't know if I showed you guys that, but yeah, here's the front right here. But yeah, I wanted to share that with you. All right, guys, have a great weekend if I don't talk to you, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Okay, one last thing that I forgot to tell you guys that are interested in this bag. If you are looking for the date code, it's really hard to see. And I don't have a flashlight on here, but when you open this bag right here, the bigger pocket, there are two pockets right here. If you open it and go to the right, the date code will be along this area right here. I had like, I don't know, the hardest time finding it, and I just wanted to make sure that if anyone was interested in here, they didn't have to struggle like I did to find it. I actually contracted one of my friends on IG who has this same bag in the Blanc for her to help me out, but then I actually located it. So I just wanted to add that in here too. All right, guys, for real, I gotta go. Bye.